Welcome. I am out thrifting today. I had to get out of the house. I work all day in the house, or all week I should say, in the house at my regular job. So I needed to get out and have some alone time shopping at my favorite Deseret Industries thrift store. And I hope that you'll come along with me, and I hope I get some great things. So let's get in and see what they have. I want to share a tip with you. Every time I use a cart while shopping, I always use the little strap for your child through the handles of my purse. I didn't show it here, but I eventually do it just so that you know that your purse is safe. And here's some of the furniture here. And I'm going in the lamps first. And I thought that was milk glass, but it wasn't. It's more modern. And then I saw this brass lamp here. It's made for a desktop or a tabletop. And I have a similar one for the wall that I'll show you the video. It'll be linked in the description and above. But it's almost exact, just a different version. And I just love it. And I might list it, I might not. But it does go for quite a bit on just its own without the lampshade. And with the lampshade even more. So then I came across this, and at first I didn't notice anything wrong with it, and it's super cool looking. And I thought of those bamboo plants, you know, that they have, and I thought it would be perfect for that. And it has a marking on the back there, and it is Asian. And I thought, that's a really nice pottery piece. But when I got it home, it is missing like the points. They broke off. But I'm going to keep it for myself and not sell it, even though I could point it out and say they're missing, but you can't hardly tell. Now this is a Libby, I think, with the little, I guess, hobnob on it. And it is so pretty, and I only found one. Now I'm kicking myself for not getting this one because it wasn't very heavy to ship, and I should have picked it up. But look how cool that is. There weren't any dings in it. There was a little bit of rust, but I think it could have been buffed out. And I believe they wanted $3 for it, and it lists for $20 and possibly more. Then I just wanted to give you a little view of the floor lamps. Now this was interesting. I thought it was kind of a cool old picture that someone donated, poor things. Then I came across this. I have never seen one of this style of the Santas in the wild. It is very old. It's from the 50s, and for a salt and pepper shaker goes for $50, and I'm so glad I picked it up. Now this is for a candle, and I picked it up for a craft or maybe just for Christmas time. I didn't see how much it was worth. I couldn't find anything similar. And this, I thought maybe I would pick it up. I do have some that I sold that were green at Christmas time. But the white, the clear is not worth quite as much. Now, I wasn't sure about this one. I think they wanted $2 for it, and I would have only got maybe about $15 out of that one. Now, this handmade mug is just so amazing. Inside it has like the starburst. It's hard to see on the video, but I couldn't find anything similar. So I'm thinking around $15 to $25 that it's worth. And this is so super pretty, and I ended up just washing it with some dish soap, and it got all that grime off of it. And look how pretty it turns out. It is so pretty. I'm going to keep this one for myself. I think it goes for about $25. For the following, I didn't get actual footage in the store, but I still wanted to show you what I picked up and how I decorated them. So this was really dirty. I got it for $1, and I always seem to find like singletons of these frosted engraved kind of glasses, and it's going right in there. It's hard to see when it's up against that plate there, so here's some better pictures. Look how pretty that frosting engraving is. It's so pretty. I just love these, and that's the first actual kind of vase that I've gotten like that. I love it. I just wanted to take a moment and share with you some exciting news that I have started a new channel called Life Balance with Buffy. I feel that God has called me to bring this channel to everyone to help myself as well as help others with life balance issues and challenges. I will be bringing some uplifting and inspiring tips and information throughout each episode. So I hope that you will give me some love and head on over and check it out and hopefully subscribe and watch some of the videos. And I will have the link of my channel listed down below in the description box. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope to see you over there. Now let's get back to the video. I also picked up this amazing black purse for $3. Now, it is in amazing shape. It has a little tiny bit of scratches if you look really close at the emblem on the front of the snap area. But look how beautiful. I was just amazed. I had to get it for myself, and it comes with a cute little bag. And then I picked this up too for $1, and it's just a little lipstick case, vintage one. And it goes for $55. Amazing, right? I've also been meaning to show you what I got at the Vintage Market Days for the springtime in Logan. And I got these amazing pieces. That cross is cast iron and heavy. It's so beautiful. And that wonderful frame, you'll see it in another video for one of my crafts. And this milk glass hat matches perfect for 4th of July. And those flower frogs are something I've always wanted and never could find in the thrift stores. But look how I designed the cross on my porch. I just love it. And then I put these in my entryway with some fake succulents in the one and another silver plate that I had found at the thrift store. And look how beautiful they are. I just love these. I don't know why, but they just draw to me. And so I ended up paying a little bit more for them at the market days, but my daughter did buy me one for my birthday, which was nice. And then I just love how just sitting there, and I might even really use them how they're supposed to be used with real flowers. But look how chunky that glass is, and none of them glow, by the way, but they are still beautiful. Now, I did a video on these crafts that I did, but look at how beautiful the hat looks with the 4th of July next to President Lincoln's picture that I did. I just love it. I love milk glass anyway, and it's a really big hat, which surprised me how big it is, because usually they're for the smaller ones for toothpicks. But this one just is so pretty, and I love that frame too. Such a great deal. Now remember that big, huge jar that I picked up, and it has like the bicentennial eagle on the back. And I didn't know at first what I wanted to do with it, but look what I did. I love this jar. It's so pretty, and that yellow brings out the beautiness of that eagle and everything. I just love how it turned out, and I hope that you like how I designed it as well. This is my hutch that reminds me of my mother and our kitchen cabinets that we used to have growing up. So I have all my collectibles on this. I love it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this short video. I just wanted to bring you all of the footage of what I did pick up and how I designed it. Here's kind of a rundown of it. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified each time that a new video is uploaded. And also share and like all of my videos. I would appreciate that. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.